Good morning, everyone. I'm going to start our interview with our trainee for today. My name is Allyza Marie Eniego.
Jennica B. Alcaria.
Louise B. Songahid.
And now, for our trainee, Kuya.
Jitro Makasokol.
Now that we know each other's name, let me share with you, Kuya Jitro, my last year's interview with my exercise enthusiast.
So I choose this lifestyle not to hinder or flex my muscle in this manner, but rather to prevent any problems because exercise significantly reduces risk of certain diseases and also aid in maintenance of your body wellness. Exercise also can benefit everyone in any age. This may not seem important right now, but someday you will thank yourself by engaging this kind of activity.
Next question. What was your turning point that made you realize to engage in physical activity? So what is your purpose?
So I made my decision to engage this activity to prevent diseases. This physical activity can prevent cardiovascular diseases. So I choose this to avoid or to prevent the upcoming diseases to my body.
Next question. What keeps you motivated?
My confidence. I simply taking diaries, taking time to recognize the little improvements to keep me motivated. No.
Okay. So what an exercise or fitness enthusiast will tell a person with no interest in engaging physical activity?
So maybe by telling them that not having adequate physical activity can lead to cardiovascular disease. Even for those without additional risk, it may also increase risk factors such as obesity, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and diabetes to develop further cardiovascular diseases.
Thank you. Thank you. My next video, I'm going to show you, Kuya Jitro, is a motivational video for you as an exercise enthusiast.
Regular physical activity can lower your risk of heart and circulatory disease by 35%. When you are active, the heat produced by your muscles increases your body temperature, making you feel warmer. Your heart starts to beat faster, pumping more blood to the muscles you are using. Your heart is also a muscle. If you are active regularly, it gets bigger and stronger. Your muscles are working harder, so they need more oxygen. You start to breathe faster, so your blood can pick up more oxygen from your lungs. Your lungs work harder to make this happen. Once your blood has picked up oxygen, it moves to the muscles you are using, giving them the extra oxygen they need. If you are active regularly, more capillaries grow in the muscles you've been working. This is one reason why activity starts to feel easier over time. Getting active is great for people with diabetes. If you have type 2 diabetes, you have too much glucose in your blood, probably because you don't have enough insulin. Physical activity helps you use the insulin you do have. It also helps your cells use glucose, even when there is no insulin. Regular physical activity can improve your memory and attention span. Over time, the bit of the brain involved in memory and learning seems to get bigger. Long-term physical activity leads to a lower resting heart rate and lower blood pressure. This helps cut your risk of heart and circulatory disease. And there are more reasons to smile. When you're active, your brain produces chemicals called endorphins. These reduce feelings of pain and make you feel more positive. Getting active cuts down on stress hormones, reducing anxiety. Combine activity with a balanced diet and you'll help yourself reach and maintain a healthy weight. Aim for 150 minutes of moderate intensity activity per week. Try to be active every day. Every 10 minutes counts.
After the motivational video, I'm pretty sure Kuya Jetro has realization. So, I'm going to be asking you 3 series of questions. How was exercise defined in the context of health, Kuya Jetro?
Lower your risk of heart and circulatory disease by 35%, like lower your blood pressure, improve your cholesterol, and reduce your blood sugar, obesity, and even dementia. That's all.
Second question, Kuya. How were the benefits of exercise emphasized?
It can make you feel warmer since exercising increasing your body temperature. And as you exercise regularly, your heart gets bigger and stronger. Then later on, you inhale more oxygen to supply your lungs. Your muscle will grow and exercising will be a lot easier.
Okay, for the last question, how were the effects of exercise traced to the different systems of our body?
As I said earlier, the more you exercise, the hearts get bigger and stronger. Your body will be able to supply oxygen to your other muscle. It can improve your memory and attention span and lower the risk of diseases. That's all.
Thank you so much. Now we have Miss Louise to ask you some additional questions.
The next set of questions are to be answered by yes or no. So first question, I am currently physically active, yes or no?
Yes.
Second, I intend to become more physically active in the next 6 months. For activity to be regular, it must add up to a total of 30 minutes per day and be done at least 5 days per week. For example, you could take 1 30-minute walk or 3 10-minute walks each day, yes or no?
Yes.
Third, I currently engage in regular physical activity, yes or no?
Yes.
And lastly, I have been regularly physically active for the past 6 months, yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Thank you.
That's all. Thank you, Kuya Jetro, for letting us invite you to our short interview.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Dave.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.